What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And the day has finally come and we're checking out another Spyderco knife. It's been a minute here on the channel since unboxing and owning and obviously using and carrying the heck out of my 5 Spydercos that you've probably seen on the channel here at some time or another. But today there is a new Spyderco to check out here, go over together. This one's coming from GP Knives. Shout out to them for the opportunity to check this one out. It is going to be an exclusive and I can't wait to share this with you. We also got some goodies here. We got a Sour Patch. That's what's up. We got a Happy Knife, Happy Life. That's what's up. And we got the GP Knives sticker right there. Nice tools and gear. That's what's up. Much appreciated. And without further ado, guys, made in Italy. We got the Urban FRN White Rex 45 Black Blade PE. Let's just get in here, guys. Let's see what this Urban is all about. Holy macaroni, I think this might be the smallest Spyderco I've seen to date. Got paperwork, stickers, warranty, and all that good stuff in the box. But here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Urban. Right, this one being an exclusive from GP Knives. This thing was just released yesterday. I'm actually recording this, I think, the day after. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this. We definitely need a 2x zoom here so we can get a better view. Looks like we are rocking the white FRN scales on here. And this one, of course, kind of gives me lightweight vibes. I'm pretty sure this is sort of the FRN on the lightweight versions of many Spyderco knives with the Spyderco logo, right? Also on the handle. Of course, on the blade, we have the wire pocket clip, which is deep carry, and of course can be reversed to the other side very easily. All right, digging that. And of course, you know, we just got to get in here, guys. Am I going to be able to thumb deploy it? I want to go for it. Oh, look at that. We got washers on this. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, Miguel. This is not your regular Spyderco knife. Got some more or less a little bit of a slip joint here. Bam. Boom. Okay. Listen. Non-locking knife. Okay. All right. This is interesting, guys. Bam. Boom. All right. I was not expecting that. That's how you know. Obviously, I'm going at this thing raw first impressions. You can see my reaction. I'm over here thinking, you know, maybe it's on washers because most Spyderco knives are on washers. You guys know that. But I was not expecting it to be a slip joint, right? We got the back spring here, right? You can see it, right? Put in tension there. We got half stop, right? Full. Let's say, yeah, definitely got some resistance there. Okay. All right. Pull is not too bad. Obviously, you got plenty of handle to pull from. I want to say like a 4 out of 10, right? On the pull, right? Boom, half stop right there. Solid, no movement anywhere, and boom, full open. And then, of course, you know, we got the star of the show right here, Rex 45 as a steal. And not only the steal, but also a steal of a deal because you're getting this on an exclusive and also for under $100. I'm pretty sure this thing, I saw the price. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen. But yeah, an exclusive. I'm surprised they didn't put Maniago Earth, right? Maniago Italy Earth. Hey, listen, if you got that joke, you're a true Spyderco fan. Right, fist pump from me, that's what's up. But anyways, that being said, yeah, you got the Rex 45 steel, which honestly is my first experience here with Rex 45. I'll probably put something on the screen there. I haven't tested Rex 45 before, so definitely an awesome experience. I'm definitely gonna be carrying this guy here, testing what Rex 45 is all about. And I gotta say, this black and white Stormtrooper aesthetics to it that GP Knives has as their exclusives. This is something, right? This is absolutely something. I do love me some black and white. My kind of makes me think as I'm looking out the window here, my truck sitting outside. It's kind of got the white and black, you know, Stormtrooper aesthetic. So this knife here kind of definitely goes with that. It might just be my new truck knife. I don't know. Haven't decided yet, but obviously I'm going to carry this thing a ton here coming up for sure. So let me know you guys' experience with Rex 45, right? What is your feedback so far? We'd love to hear from you guys, of course. Let's go ahead and remove this thing. We got a little bit of a film here protecting the logo there from the pocket clip, right? Good tension on the pocket clip. And yeah, two-hand open and close. Yeah, very slip joint style. Urban from Spyderco. Again, very awesome surprise here to say the least. Guys, full flat grind, you already know the biz, right? Anything with Spyderco has really good quality, really good heat treat, top notch, everything that you can imagine. Really, you know, really great QC overall. So this thing is going to be very slicey. We'll be doing our scientific cutting test in a moment. And of course, checking the ergos, right? So if I do my finger here, my index finger there, and then all other fingers follow suit. I'm able to get a full purchase. You might kind of want to grip it here with your thumb on the behind the circle hole there. Definitely gives me a little bit more like para 3, but smaller para 3 sort of eyes, right? But of course, you know, more of like maybe here, right? If I need to put my thumb up here, that definitely feels a little bit better. Wire clip, mad comfortable. I'm gonna give it a good 9.5 out of 10 right there. And then of course lefties can use it. After all, it is ambidextrous from the standpoint that you're gonna have to use both hands, right? Regardless if you're a righty or lefty, you're gonna end up using both hands. There's no way to fully deploy this thing with, yeah, you're just gonna only get it to the half stop. So can't fully deploy with one hand, gotta use both. Makes it ambidextrous friendly, reversible pocket clip. You got the works. So hey guys, it's me from the future here. Basically later the same day, I'm editing the video right now as we speak, and I just realized I've actually been, you know, fidgeting around with this thing for quite a bit now. So you can one hand open it, and I guess for what it's worth, you can kind of protect yourself with the index finger here and kind of bring it to its halfway stop like that, and then finish closing it very carefully like that. So I mean, obviously if you know what you're doing, you can do the whole thing right with one hand. This is for advanced knife bros only. If you rather just play it safe, obviously use both hands, right? Definitely you know, like a good old traditional slip joint. But just wanted to point that out. You can, right, slow roll it with your thumb, and then just right there, boom, bam, right? One hand close it as well. Very easy. Don't really need to go out of your way, right? Very simple to do. So I know you guys were gonna come after me in the comments, so I just wanted to make a little commercial break and throw this in there. And that being said, let's get back to the video. Let's do size comparisons here. Of course, I mean, we got to compare here to, you know, the pair 3 right there, right? You can see quite the size difference. Check out the PM2. Definitely quite something there. By the way, I'll run you through all my Spyderco knives really quick in case you're brand new to the channel. I'm going to get you up to speed. Now, of course, if you've been following the channel for any amount of time, you've seen these here and there. That's the Manix 2. That is the Yojimbo 2. Again, that's 4 so far. Really digging these. And if you had me pick one, I really couldn't tell you. That's how much I really love those 5. And to complete the 5, there is the Smock, Spyderco Smock right there. Those are some of the OGs in the channel, dating back to like the very first 6 months to a year. Really creating content back in 2023. These Spideys have been in the channel since forever, and I haven't picked up a new Spyderco knife in a while. I'm probably due for doing so, like, you know, 3 years ago, but you know, just discovering so many awesome companies here and there as well. I got the Shaman in my crosshairs, that Bodacious, right? All those awesome models as well. Hopefully I'll get a chance to pick those up in the near future. And last but not least, just to show you something other than Spyderco, right? We got the Demco 8020.5 and the Kum Wuchat, right? So check out the size difference there. I mean, obviously we're talking about a smaller EDC knife, no doubt about it. Let me get you here the overall measurement. Coming in at 6 inches, right? So definitely a whole inch smaller than a Corshall Leak or Savivi Elementum. 6 inches there. You got 2.5 on the blade, about 2 1/4 on the cutting path, and the handle is 3.5, right? So very precise there on the measurements. As far as blade stock thickness here, we have the blade in the in the thickest. All right, English.exe has stopped working. Thickest portion of the blade here, right? We got 0.10, right? It's a very slicey 0.10, with 0.12 being the average in the channel, and then handle is somewhere in the ballpark of 0.38, with 0.5 being the average in the channel. Of course, you already know this thing's going to be pretty good in the weight department. You know, lightweight model here. I want to say around 2 ounces tops. Look at that. Right on the money. Right on the money. 2 ounces on the dot. 56 grams. I knew it was somewhere in that ballpark. So 2 ounces or 56 grams. Can't go wrong with that, right? For the size. That is really, really good. And now for the moment of truth. Now, one thing you can do is you can slow roll it. There you go. You might not be able to fully flick it open, but thanks to, you know, good old Sal Glesser's invention here, right, with the round finger opening hole, we can slow roll it, click twice. Here we go. 5x zoom for the Rex 45. And let's see what this one here. Oh, man. Listen, every Spyderco I've ever checked out, I mean, they've been some of the sharpest knives, sharpest edges you can get on any knife. This one here is no difference whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen. Check this thing out. Oh my goodness. Bam. Boom. Boom. Wow. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating. This thing is wicked, wicked sharp. So, you know, it's not just any factory edge. It is a Spyderco factory edge. So you better get that right. So here we go. A piece of cardboard, single wall, cutting at a diagonal angle here for better performance. Do a flat grind, putting in work. This thing is super, super slicey. Oh man, all day, every day here. Boom, bam. One last one. Effortless, effortless. Now the only thing that I'm noticing here is obviously you will get a larger cutting path with something like the Pair 3, right? Obviously a PM2. This one kind of has like a Delica sort of looks to it. You know, if you want to picture like a smaller Delica, right? Maybe something like that. Obviously way smaller than the Pair 3 like you saw. But man, still capable, man. 2 1/4, right? On the cutting path right there, 2 1/4 inches. Can do some damage. Can do some damage. All right. So guys, let me know in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10 how sharp is this guy based on your opinion and observation. All right. Straight out of the box, brand new edge. Yeah, this thing is wicked sharp. Y'all let me know. Well, there you guys have it. That is a quick overview, first look, raw first impressions on the GP knives exclusive Spyderco Urban here, rocking the blacked out Rex 45 blade and the YFRN scales, lightweight, made in good old Italy, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely some special sauce, a saw glisser design right there, made in Maniago, Italy. So definitely this thing won't last forever, I'll tell you that, being an exclusive and all. I know I've seen it with Manix 2s and other Spyderco models that rock the Stormtrooper aesthetics. There are the GP knives exclusives. Those things fly out the website like within a couple of weeks. So if this one is still in stock and you do want to pick one up yourself, I say go for it, because this thing is not going to hang around in stock forever. So pretty sweet, nice little EDC guy here for sure. Very good on the weight department. I can't wait to really test this thing out and take it for a spin. But I can do so very, very comfortable knowing it's a Spyderco knife, right? This is not just some random brand out there. It's not some other knife that, you know, think twice about recommending or not. Like, I can definitely recommend Spyderco's any day of the week, right? If it's a very safe recipe like this one, right? You guys know me, I love my PM2 Pair 3, right? All those other models I showed you, Manix 2, Yojimbo, and Smock, like, you know, those are my go-to Spideys. But this one is going to be part of that collection, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. What do you like about it? What do you love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it? Let me know. Shout out to those folks over at GP Knives for the awesome opportunity to check this one out. They are awesome. And if you made it to the end, you are the real MVP, guys. Thank you so much again for 20,000 subscribers. I recently just posted a giveaway video here on the channel. Definitely don't want you guys to miss out on that. So check out that video. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can learn all the details you need to know to get entered to win one of 3 knives. So definitely check that out. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.